Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and reset your Craigslist password. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Craigslist website right here, Craigslist.org, if you have not already. So if you're opening it up, this is going to be the main page that you're greeted by. From this home page, we can get started with accessing all the settings and categories we can use on Craigslist, but we can also go ahead and get started accessing our account. So guys, now there is two ways to go ahead and reset your password. The first way is if you cannot even remember your password, so you cannot log into your account. Once you go ahead and open up the account tab, it's going to give you the sign up and register option. From there, a button is going to appear under the sign up option that's going to enable you to click on it. It's going to say something like forgot your password or forgot your login details and so on. This is going to enable you to go ahead and reset the password and send an email to your email that you have used for your account creation. That's going to give you a link to resetting your password. But if you are already logged in, it's much easier. What you want to do is just click the settings tab. By clicking the settings tab right here, it's going to enable you to access the settings of your account, and from here we have the password option. So to click change password, you're going to go ahead and click here, and from here you can go ahead and enter in the old password you're currently using and then the new password that you want to use. It's going to show you the password strength, and after that you can just click change. If you forgot your old password, also click this button right here. That's going to enable you to send the password to your email to reset your password, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.